Hey guys, the good folks over at RELIDOL gifted me this drone to do a little box opening and to check it out and let you know what I think about it. So let's get it opened up and see what we get with it. Stick around. Comes in a nice case, it looks like. Very lightweight, so you don't have to worry about FAA regulations and all that mess. Our little drone right here. It's a little thing. There we go. Pretty cool. It is a 1080 camera, so it is high definition. Actually comes with two batteries. One's in here already, and then it has another one here. There's a little rubber spacer on there to keep from making contact and drain that battery. So take that little spacer off and it'll click right into place. Comes with your guards, a USB-A to USB-C charging cord. It comes with our prop guards, a small Phillips screwdriver. Looks like it has a USB-A to USB-C charging cord. It actually has two of them. And it comes with 4 extra props. There's our instruction manual. So it has a phone holder here and our controller. It has a small LED screen here on the controller. The controller does have built-in batteries. Charge it right here on the bottom. You can put a micro SD card in here. Now it says the pictures and videos taken with the remote control may not have the best quality. For higher definition photos and videos, please use the app for operation. Now we're going to go ahead and put our guards on here. Just slide them from the bottom up. Hold it like this. Put it right here. Now I do recommend putting these guards on before you do anything. Unless you're a really good experienced pilot, which I'm not. You want to get those on there just to protect these propellers here. Make sure those are on there good. You're good to go. Now you'll just power on your drone. Power it on. Turn on your remote. There you go. You have the take off button right here. Easy first flight. I'm not much of a pilot, but let's look at the buttons right here. We'll go over those real quick. Right here you have your gyroscope and headless mode button. You have your screen switch right here. Confirm button right there. Select, menu, exit button. You have your 1 key takeoff and landing. You have your speed switch, your camera down, and your camera up button. Of course, you have your directional controls here and here. And your power button right here. On the front right here, you have your roll trigger. Over here, you have your photo and video button. Right here, you have your USB-C slot and your micro SD card slot and a reset button. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get the app installed. The QR code to get to the app is here in your user manual. The app is PK01 Fly. So we're going to go ahead and scan this. And there is our app. We'll hit install. Open. Get started. We'll have to create an account. And there is our app. And you can put your phone on here. It has a little screw up in here. You just take that screw out, and then you'll take this and put it just like that. And you'll be able to put your phone on here. Just like that right there. We'll put that screw back in there. You can take your phone. You may have to take your phone case off. And you have it like that right there. The one thing I'm noticing with my phone is real front heavy. Plus it just barely fits in there. It's popped out already. I've got the bigger Samsung Galaxy phone, So it's a pretty good stretch for it. Tell you what, it is a lot of fun to fly. I've been out playing in the backyard some. I tried to video it, but you can't really see the drone in the camera. So in here, it's a little easier to see. It is a lot of fun. There's no questioning about that. The only issue I have is the video quality, and the picture quality is not very good. But as far as a drone just to play around with and fly around, it's a lot of fun, guys. I'm telling you. And I have crashed it into the walls, into the storage shed out back, into the house, and straight into the ground, and it's holding up really well. It feels lightweight, and it is a plastic body, but durability, it seems to be holding up pretty good. Now, I don't know about flying straight into a wall, but bumping into one and going down, it handles it quite well. I don't know if they're all built like that or not, but this one definitely is. As far as the controllers go, this right here seems to be a whole lot better than the app on the phone, but you can try either one. Might be better if you actually knew how to fly a drone. I'm not a professional, but for a little toy like this, it is a lot of fun. I'm going to give it a thumbs up for the fun of the flying. Now, not so much for the video quality, it's just not there. But for the fun of the flying, it's definitely a thumbs up. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself or for a grandkid or a kid or whatever, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order one today. Christmas is coming up, you know. Also, if you got any value at all out of the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.